So we're here at Politics Online, and we've just announced two things. Our launch of the Campaign Ready website for campaigns and advocacy initiatives, and that's a complete set of tools for both small all the way up to national campaigns to run their campaigns more efficiently, effectively, reach out, listen to their constituents, engage with those folks, and win, hopefully, at the end of the day. We've got a set of free tools that will allow organizations or campaigns at a smaller level to get up and get going, email, storage in the cloud, etc., collaboration as well. We've got a set of paid offerings that are a little more robust and offer a bit more scale and the ability for larger campaigns to take advantage of that. We also have a set of tools to let people go out and do online advertising, both on our Bing network, but also into the mobility space with our partnership with Verizon, also into the in-game experience in Xbox with our massive platform, and a set of tools, of course, to analyze and understand what's going on in that space when you're doing that. And finally, a set of tools that will let you go mobile with your campaign. And the big one that we announced today was TownHall. And TownHall allows you to do moderated and unmoderated forums, allows you to do idea sites where people put ideas forward that you might be interested in. It's a very interesting model. And so I'm going to hand over to Mark McCurry, who's from our platform strategy group, and he'll explain TownHall and what it enables you to do.
Thanks, Dan. As Stan mentioned, my name is Mark McCurry from the platform strategy group at Microsoft. We have been spending a lot of time, but with customers in the public and private sector, looking at the social space for the last year and a half, 2 years. One of the things we put together is we recognize that individuals, whether in the context of a consumer or in the context of a citizen, are online and want to engage 24/7 by 365, regardless of which device they have at any given moment. So that could be a computer, it could be a phone, and as of April 3rd, that's really now going to be a tablet as well. So what we've put together is an idea called TownHall, which is a way to interact with citizens across all of these devices.
So from an end user perspective, I have the ability to engage. It's designed to be very, very straightforward. I can click on an area, I can ask a question, I can vote on other people's questions. I can go ahead and navigate based on the hierarchy that they provide. Now, the way that TownHall works is I can select a category. I can then either ask a question or vote on a question. And in some cases, I can post a response. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log into the site. You can see here that I can use an existing username and password. I can create one, or I can use Facebook Connect. Now I happen to have an account on Facebook, so I'm going to go ahead and log in with that. You'll see that I'll be prompted to log in. And now I'm logged into the site, so you can see right away that there is my name, the number of reputation points that I've earned, and I earn reputation points for each of my engagements inside the site. I can view my profile if I'd like to, and then there's my avatar. Let's just go ahead and look at my profile. Now what's happened is I've earned several badges. So I've earned one for being inquisitive, so I've asked some questions. I've earned one for responding, so responding to questions, posting a response. I've also earned some for voting. Now, this is called the Autobiographer. It'll actually be changed to Citizen when this is released. And this is a badge that I earned for signing up. So I'm getting points and seeing value for my engagement here. And we did this initially for an organization called NASA in the U.S. government. And we've seen, in less than 6 months, people earning over 2 million points. I'm going to go ahead and click on Energy, because I'm interested in energy today. And we can see here that I'm within a topic. What I can see now is that there are a number of questions that are here. So you can see here that this is the question. I can see right away that it was asked by someone named Mashup Guy, and this person has a certain reputation inside of the site, so I can see how much he's engaged or she is engaged inside of the site. And I can also see tags that have been associated with this. So you can see here that for each of the questions, in addition to the tags, I can see the number of votes that have been cast. I can vote up or vote down, so I can say whether I would like to have this question answered or not. So what I would like to know is, are there tax benefits for owning an electric car? I think that's actually pretty interesting, so let me go ahead and vote for that. And that's going to go out to the site. I've already logged in. You can see that my vote has just been collected. Now with each item, there are a couple things that we can do here. One is I can get a direct link to this, so I might be able to share it out on a blog or something like that. If I'd like to connect my community to this community, which Contoso Politics wants to do, they want to make sure that they can help their users bring more users in. I can go ahead and share this out on Facebook and on Twitter. So I'm going to go ahead and share this out on Twitter. And you can see here it says check out Microsoft TownHall. It's providing a direct link to that particular item. So I'm going to go ahead and tweet that. And now for me, it's made it very easy for me to share, and for the organization, in this case Contoso Politics, it's made it very easy for us to both get the word out, and also the way that the word is being put out is very consistent. So if we're doing any social media monitoring, we'll be able to have a pretty good understanding of how many people we're communicating out through the site.
Great. Well, hopefully that's really interesting. What you've seen there is the ability to connect with its constituents, with voters and donors, engage in that dialogue, that conversation, but manage that as well and be able to actually have thousands, hundreds of thousands of people in that discussion, but feeling like they're actually getting answers from the campaign, from the candidates, etc. It's a very compelling business model as well, and it also gives you the ability to do that on the devices that those folks are actually using on a daily basis, on their phones, on their tablets, on their PCs, and so forth. And at the end of the day, one of the most important points, of course, is that you own the data. So very powerful, and it's the tip of the iceberg. The point is we're going to be coming back with more breakthrough technologies that we think help campaigns connect, help campaigns engage, help campaigns win. We're going to be coming back and really kind of upping the game in enabling campaigns to actually be more efficient and more effective as well using our technologies. And so we're here to stay, and we're coming back again and again, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. So hopefully you'll see more soon.